Hi guys, spigigggles 24/7 here, and today we're going to be fixing Mugman. Now, if you remembered in my some of my earlier videos, we were making a Mugman to bring him to life, and he screamed and fell out of my hand and he broke. But see, I decided this happened like a couple days ago when he broke, but now we're gonna fix him. And this is a tutorial on how to fix your Mugman. So step one is to get all of the pieces. You need every piece. If you lose one, it won't work. Okay. So now we need to, like, obviously it's not gonna like go back in, you know, because like that shit would be too easy. So this is where we got some magic glue. So okay. And what you're gonna need to do is, ow! It just cut me! So now you're gonna need to take your pieces of Mugman and your magic glue, and then you're just gonna like, you're gonna glue them back together. Good as new. So now that some parts of Mugman are glued, you could start putting them back together. Like, alright. It stayed. Now we just get the other side. What the fart? Okay guys, obviously it doesn't look like Mugman yet. It kind of looks like a piece of poop that Cuphead will make after eating a bunch of Funyuns and RC Cola. So we're gonna need to upgrade our tools. Luckily, my mom went to Walmart the other day and got some of this stuff. It's called the Craggle. If you've seen the Lego movie, they used this stuff, and they used it to glue Emmett, the Lego guy, back together when he lost his head. So you gotta pull out your Craggle. Oh, that one was easier than the magic glue. Okay, for your Craggle, I'm gonna get some of these bigger pieces of Mugman again, and then you're just gonna do a couple drops. Oh, look, it's actually working, guys. Look. Look. So he's almost back. We'll get this little side piece in here. Oh! No! I'm in a mess. All this cleaning sucks. The Cuphead show's a lot better than cleaning, but all this cleaning is making me hungry. Have some cheese. This is harder than I thought, guys. Gotta get out big guns. Got some magic tape And yeah. Oh. Ooh. That cheese was cup-tastic. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Oh, so this is where the problem starts. So we take our magic tape. Alright guys, we almost have, we basically have a mugman. Now we just gotta get the little pieces. Now these things, it's like putting together like a jigsaw puzzle of Cuphead and Ludding, Wighead, like a Wighead jigsaw puzzle of Cuphead and Ludding. It's kind of hard, and it makes me hard, but there's a lot of these little pieces. So now we need to get our Harambe glue. See, Harambe gorilla. Oh, that one was easy. Okay. Oh yeah, and we put some on. Okay, so this is actually muggerific for us, that we used enough glue that we can see. Look, it stayed in place. They're staying in place, sort of. Stay.